Hi everyone, today connect the host Tyron after system AdBlue emulator. This is a Scania engine and we connected EEC sockets emulator cable. Then 3 is red cable, 4 is black cable, 19 pins brown cable, 22 pin is white cable, and we read the fault codes. You can see no faults. Then we go dashboard. You can see his AdBlue level is 94%, and you can see no faults. We run it and no faults. You can see again AdBlue level is 94%. It is worked perfectly. We test it and you can see it's no down or decrease the torques. It is worked perfectly. Have a good day. We meet the next video. Bye bye.